Hello again, Great Lakes Energy members. As our communities continue to recover from the unprecedented ice storm, I wanted to provide an update on the progress we're making to safely rebuild our system and restore power to all of our members. We know estimated times of restoration are on everyone's mind, and we're working hard to deliver those updates with both care and accuracy. Earlier this week, my message was that we would have substantial restoration complete by Tuesday night. We have been successful in rebuilding much of our system as of Tuesday night and continue to make more strides. The restoration process has to start at the substation and move out from there to your individual home. You may not see damage nearby, but if it's impacting the flow of power, you won't be restored until we can fix the problem. For those of you who are still awaiting service restoration, thank you for your patience. We anticipate having service restored to the majority of you by Sunday, April 13th. Estimated restoration times at the account level are now available on our outage map, in your online account, and to our internal teams to access when you call so we can assist you. The damage caused by this storm is unprecedented. Please understand, with damage of this scale, what we share today may change. The situation is shifting hour by hour as new damage continues to be uncovered as we work in the more remote areas. The potential for updated or delayed estimated times of restoration is possible, but we will do our very best to keep you updated as things change. Your continued patience, flexibility, and trust are vital as we respond to evolving conditions. And above all, no matter how fast things change, we do not compromise on safety. It's the one constant in all this change. Safety remains the foundation of everything we do. We've now completed much of the mainline rebuild, and every day we're seeing major progress. Downed trees, debris, and impassable roads still present challenges. Please know, our crews will not stop until every member has their power back on. Thank you for your resilience, your trust, and your continued support of Great Lakes Energy.